Hi, year 8s. In this video, we are going through question 1 of exercise 2C. So the question asks us to find the value of A in these triangles. Okay, so what we have here, right? So we have, for A, we have the values for 2 angles in a triangle, okay? And we want to find the third one. All right, so what can we do here? So remember, okay, remember that the angle sum of a triangle is 180 degrees, okay, for any kind of triangle. So now what does that mean by angle sum? What it means is that if we add all 3 angles inside a triangle, we would get 180 degrees, okay? So we have 45 degrees, okay, so this is for A, 45 degrees plus 100 degrees plus 8 degrees here. We don't know what that is yet. That would give us 180. All right. So how do we work out A? Now, um, if you remember from year 7 about solving linear equations, then you probably know what to do already. But if you forgot about it, it's really easy. What we do here, see how we got 45 plus 100 plus A is 180. So to get A, what we're going to do is we're just going to take away, right? 180, take away 100, and take away 45. And we're going to calculate that, okay? So you can put this into a calculator, or you can do this in your head. And 100 minus, sorry, 180 minus 100 is 80. And 80 minus 45, that should give you 35 degrees. Okay? And then for B, we're going to do, similar thing here. Now, the difference about B is that we only have 2 angles. Okay, so what's going on here? Now, what I've noticed is that, these two sides, they are equal, right? They both got 2 dashes, so they are equal. And that means that here we have an isosceles triangle. And a special thing that all isosceles triangles have is that they have 2 equal base angles. And what does that mean by base angles? So this line here, okay, the one that is not equal to the other two, we call that the base. And this is what we call a base angle, right? And it has 2 equal base angles. That means that this side is also A as well. Okay? So here we have A plus A plus 80 degrees is 180. Now you probably have guessed already. So here we got A plus A. Remember we learned about algebra. When we have 2 like terms, we can add them together. So 1A plus 1A, that's going to give us 2A's plus 80 is 180. So that means that 2A must be 100 degrees, right? And how did I get 100 there? So I took 180 minus 80, right? And I get 100, right? You probably could have done this, in your head um, already without doing this one here. This is just to show you how to get there. Okay, how did our brain work it out? And for so we got 2A's being 100. So 1A must be 50, right? And how did we get 50? How did our brain works out? 50. So 100 divided by 2 is going to give you 50 degrees there. Okay? So this is just, just working it in our brain here, knowing how our brains works. All right. So these are the answer for question 1. Okay. I hope that this video helps you with question 1 there. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.